Today, we're exploring a hypothetical scenario. What would happen if the moon were to collide with Earth? But here's the twist. Earth wouldn't be destroyed by the collision itself, but by a series of catastrophic events leading up to it. As we all know, the moon is over 250,000 miles away from Earth. But imagine, for the sake of this thought experiment, that it begins to approach our planet. As it comes closer, its gravity would start pulling objects from Earth towards it. When the moon reaches a distance of only 200,000 kilometers from Earth, we'd witness destructive tsunamis that devastate small communities along our coastlines. The increased gravitational forces between the Earth and Moon would also trigger powerful earthquakes, but that's just the beginning. As the Moon moves even closer, Earth would face even more catastrophic consequences. All around the world, volcanoes would awaken and erupt, spewing lava and ash into the atmosphere. Now picture the Moon at just 60,000 kilometers away. Ocean waves would surge to incredible heights, reaching over 100 meters, submerging coastal areas and causing widespread devastation. But here's where things take an interesting turn. As the Moon enters Earth's atmosphere, Earth's gravity would start to pull it apart, breaking it into pieces. This would create a ring system around Earth, similar to Saturn's rings. However, this event would not occur because of centripetal force, which is the gravitational force that keeps the Moon in orbit around Earth. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.
There was once a day that I